really is. It is pretty much the middle of nowhere. Well, a couple of us have tow-behind trailers, and then they have a bunkhouse in the pit here.
The jaw will take up to a 12-inch rock. It'll break it down to, say, 4-inch for the cone, and then it breaks it down. Right now we're making inch road gravel. I always like the conveyors. We have all superior conveyors. Can't beat that. We're just trying the cone out. Well, we've ran it for a year, but I do like it. It's easy to work on when you change liners and stuff. You can take everything apart.
It's easy setting that cone up. It's nice having the conveyors that actually move. Dealt with a lot of plants where you have to pull them in and out with loaders and chains, where this one's a lot easier because it's all hydraulic. The only problem we have is trying to warm up in the morning when it's minus 30.